Not every time restaurants and dates. Here are 10 fun activities you can try out in Calabar this weekend. First of all, we have sip and play. It's a calm, fun activity you can play with friends or your lover. And number 2, we have a museum date. There are 2 main museums in Calabar. We have the one at the Old Residency Museum and the one at Marina. Any one of them is fine. At number 3, we have Tina Park. You can either go to the water park or go for go-karting with your friends or your lovers. This one is actually very fun. At number 4, we have Rage Room, where you get to break things and release all your emotions. And it's located at Tina Park. At number 5, we have karaoke at Romance Lounge. Best to go with a group of friends. Trust me, you would have fun. At number 6, we have spa dates at Triple Apple. This is best for when you want to relax and rewind after a very stressful week. At number 7, we have library dates. If you're someone who loves reading and research, this is an opportunity for you to spend quality time with someone while getting the work done. At number 8, we have the private cinema. You can select any movie of your choice and watch it together with your friends or your partner while you have the whole cinema to yourself. At number 9, we have salsa night, which happens every Friday at Deluxe Grill and Bar. You can decide to join the people dancing or just watch them. It's always very lively and fun. At number 10, we have play date at Municipal Park. And each of the activities here costs 500 naira and is always very interesting. Which of these activities would you love to try this weekend? And if you want to say part 2 of this video, please let me know in the comments. Bye, and don't forget to follow me.